Okay, gang, here we are. Historic Nokomis Day car show put on by Sarasota County and the Historic Nokomis Civic Association, rather. And this show is always known for its British cars. So we're going to take a quick walk through the British car section. Look at that, two-door Jag. You don't see those very often. Oh, here we go. That's a beautiful automobile right there. That one needs no introduction there. Wow, look at that. Got a little forced air induction going on there. Mm-hmm. That's beautiful right there. Sunbeam Talbot. Okay, and that concludes our British section. And then you have the normal run-of-the-mill Americana and the occasional German. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the British car section.